I bet you didn't know how to score the best vacation souvenirs. Welcome to Trailvia channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. For the avid traveler, souvenirs are more than just trinkets. They're tangible pieces of memories, carefully chosen to represent experiences. Each item tells a story, a fragment of a journey preserved in time. Some collect magnets, transforming their fridge into a colorful map of adventures. Others bring home flavors, infusing their daily life with tastes from around the world. Experiences, too, can be souvenirs. Learning a new skill becomes a lifelong memento. And for some, the ultimate souvenir is a handcrafted journal, a personal tapestry of memories. In the end, the best souvenirs are those that keep our travels alive in our hearts. Thanks for watching Trailvia channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips.